In the vastness of the cosmos, every star, every planet, every nebula holds a story. But have you ever considered that we too are part of this cosmic narrative? The key to unlocking this dialogue with the universe lies in understanding its unique language, a language of energy, vibration, and intention. Just as a tree communicates with its surroundings through subtle chemical signals, we communicate with the universe through the energies we emit. Our thoughts, our emotions, our deepest desires are like ripples in the cosmic pond, each one sending out a unique vibrational signature. Consider for a moment your thoughts. Are they merely fleeting neurons firing in your brain, or are they something more? Each thought and each feeling we experience is a message sent out into the universe, a silent whisper into the ears of the cosmos. But how does one ensure these whispers are heard and understood? This journey is divided into 4 distinct parts, each unraveling the mysteries of how we can speak to the cosmos and, more importantly, understand its responses. Each section is designed to not only provide you with knowledge, but also to engage and inspire you to start a deeper, more meaningful dialogue with the universe. This video is going to be very detailed and explained step by step, so make sure to watch the full video to digest the idea and understand it deeply. Also, make sure to like the video while you are watching it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss any future spiritual journeys. So, let's begin our first chapter. Part 1. Understanding the universe's language. As we embark on our journey into the art of speaking to the universe, let us first contemplate the universe as a reflection of consciousness. This vast cosmic screen, where everything born from intention is projected and materialized, is shaped by our attention. The thoughts, feelings, perceptions, and sensations that influence us are a direct result of the energy we invest in them through our focus. What we choose to ignore diminishes in potency and impact within our realm of experience. In understanding the universe as a manifestation of consciousness, we recognize that thinking itself is a form of communication with this expansive entity. However, the universe understands our thoughts and feelings differently than we might initially perceive. Becoming aware of our mental processes, and more importantly, where we place our attention, can significantly influence the events we experience in our lives. You have the power not to accept every experience presented to you. By exercising conscious attention and increasing your energy, you gain the ability to create the experiences you wish in your life. Anything that happens doesn't need to become your experience if you choose not to give it your attention. When you refuse to invest your attention, events and circumstances lose their impact on your vibrational frequency. In this world, everything is composed of energy. Therefore, it's essential to comprehend that possessing higher energy levels allows us to consciously direct our attention and shape our reality intentionally. Conversely, expending energy by criticizing others, engaging in arguments, succumbing to stress, or getting caught in nervous tension depletes the resources needed for conscious creation. This depletion often leads to living life on autopilot, allowing unconscious programming rooted in old patterns and belief systems to take precedence. Thoughts can be likened to fleeting entities in the expanse of space. When attention is directed towards them, they gain influence and can become identified and accepted as one's own. Recognizing thoughts as mere vessels competing for attention, you possess the power to give them energy through attention and approval, or dismiss them by ignoring them. This comprehension empowers you to wield conscious influence over the thoughts you welcome into your reality. Thoughts trigger a flow of energy. This flow influences your feelings and emotions, which in turn emit vibrations and frequencies. This set sends a message to the universe, which responds accordingly. Therefore, the key to communicating with the universe and working together in harmony with it lies in directing your energy toward thoughts that resonate with your intentions and objectives. As we begin to perceive the universe as a narrative crafted collectively, not as an isolated entity, but rather as a tangible reflection of our inner world, we gain profound insight into our exceptional creative abilities. We have been conditioned to attribute ultimate power solely to the external world. Yet, our genuine essence and immense creative power reside within ourselves. The universe fundamentally exists as a field of potential or energy. This field, in its essence, remains uniform and devoid of form or inherent meaning, akin to a blank canvas or a tabula rasa, standing ready for our engagement. This understanding of the universe as a responsive, energetic field forms the foundation of our conversation with the cosmos. It's a dialogue that transcends mere words, occurring in the realm of energy, intention, and attention. As we move forward in our journey, we will delve deeper into crafting this cosmic conversation, learning to use our vibrational voice to manifest the reality we desire. Part 2. Crafting your cosmic conversation. Since this second chapter is about crafting our cosmic conversation and how exactly to speak to the universe, now, while you are watching this video, write in the comments section, "I am allowing the universe to make me rich." Having understood the language of the universe, we now turn to the art of crafting our cosmic conversation. This is where we learn to align our thoughts and intentions with the vibrational frequency of the universe, creating a harmonious dialogue that shapes our reality. The universe is always expectant, ready to fulfill what you aim for. However, to effectively communicate our intentions to the universe, we must understand its language. The universe speaks the language of your vibrational responses. Amplifying our signal for better reception translates into increasing our energy through focus and conscious attention. When you invest attention in your thoughts, you provide them with energy, signaling the universe with an invitation for further amplification. Becoming skilled at mastering the ability to focus our attention selectively is crucial. The universe does not comprehend the word no. Even if we criticize something, by giving it our attention and energy, the universe interprets this as what we want more of. This profound understanding highlights our immense power in molding our reality. Our attention serves as the channel through which we communicate our preferences to the universe, dictating the composition of our life experiences. Another crucial element of conscious creation lies in embracing silence. In this space, one can tune into the genuine voice of the inner self. Intuition, serving as your compass through life, is a reliable guide. While the universe communicates through the language of energy, thoughts and words often fall short, failing to mirror your true inner state. Your feelings, instincts, and intuitive responses operate as your navigation system. Intuition, being the language of the heart, emerges in moments of calmness, preceding thoughts, without the need for verbal expression. It's an inexplicable inner sense. You don't know why, but you know that you know when something feels right. It resonates with your true path. Ground your message to the universe in the present, not just by thinking or affirming, but by feeling that reality in this very moment. Speak in the language of vibrations and frequencies, as it is the language the universe understands. Develop your message in the now, acknowledging that every imaginable reality is already part of the diverse range of experiences, including the one you yearn for. The universe requires clear and concise instructions, and speaking of the future is abstract and insubstantial. Instead, feel as if you already possess what you seek. By engaging and feeling as if we already possess what we aim to attract, every potential reality exists as a probability, ready to take shape, including the one we seek. By immersing ourselves in the present moment, feeling as if we have already attained our wishes, we begin to synchronize our vibrational frequency with the creative forces of the universe. Thus, communication with the universe involves not only articulating desires, but embodying those desires in the now. This mindset transcends the limitations of past regrets or future anxieties, offering a path toward manifesting your desired reality. As we progress in our journey, we'll explore how to receive and interpret the responses of the universe, further enhancing our dialogue and deepening our connection with the cosmos. Part 3. Receiving and interpreting universal responses. In this third chapter of our journey, we focus on the subtle yet profound aspect of our cosmic conversation, receiving and interpreting the universe's responses. The universe speaks back to us, not in words, but through signs, experiences, and internal shifts. Understanding and interpreting these responses is crucial in maintaining a meaningful dialogue with the cosmos. The universe communicates through the language of synchronicities, coincidences that are too significant to be mere chance. These synchronicities are the universe's way of guiding us, affirming our path, or sometimes redirecting our course. To recognize these signs, one must cultivate a heightened sense of awareness and openness to the messages being conveyed. One of the most powerful tools for interpreting the universe's language is intuition. This inner knowing transcends logical reasoning, often arriving as a gut feeling or a sense of certainty without clear rationale. Your intuition is the direct line to the universe, providing guidance and insight beyond the reach of everyday consciousness. When interpreting responses, it's important to consider the role of emotions and feelings. The universe often communicates through our emotional state, sending us feelings of harmony and peace when we are on the right path, or discomfort and unease when something is amiss. These emotional responses are not random. They are the universe's way of speaking directly to our heart. Understanding the universe also requires patience and trust. The responses may not always be immediate or in the form we expect. Sometimes, the universe's guidance unfolds over time, revealing its wisdom gradually as we progress on our journey. It's a process of learning to trust the timing and the manner in which the universe communicates. Another aspect of receiving messages from the universe is the realization that every event, even those that seem challenging or negative, carries a message or a lesson. The universe is constantly in conversation with us, guiding us towards our evolution and growth. When we face obstacles or hardships, it's often the universe's way of testing our resilience, teaching us valuable lessons, or redirecting us to a path more aligned with our true purpose. As we close this chapter, remember that the universe is always speaking to us. The key is to learn how to listen and interpret its messages. With an open heart and an attentive mind, we can deepen our understanding of the cosmos and enrich our journey through life. In the next and final part of our journey, we will explore how to integrate these practices into our daily lives, living in harmony with the universe and embracing the abundance it offers. Part 4. Living in harmony with the universe. In this final part of our exploration, we focus on integrating our cosmic conversations into daily life, living in harmony with the universe. This is where we bring together all that we have learned, applying it to create a life aligned with our truest intentions and the universe's infinite wisdom. Living in harmony with the universe requires a consistent practice of mindfulness and awareness. It's about being conscious of our thoughts, feelings, and actions, and understanding how they contribute to our ongoing dialogue with the cosmos. By maintaining a positive and open mindset, we align ourselves with the universe's vibrational frequency, attracting experiences and outcomes that resonate with our deepest desires. Embrace the present moment as the primary point of power in your life. The present is where we can most effectively communicate with the universe and manifest our intentions. Let go of past regrets and future anxieties and focus on the now, where every possibility exists and every intention takes shape. Recognize the interconnectedness of all things. We are not separate from the universe, we are a part of it. This realization fosters a deeper sense of unity and compassion, guiding us to live in a way that honors this connection, not just with the universe, but with all beings within it. Finally, trust in the journey and the universe's guidance. Embrace the flow of life, knowing that the universe is always working in your favor, even in ways that may not be immediately apparent. Challenges and obstacles are not just hurdles. They are opportunities for growth and evolution, provided by the universe to steer us towards our ultimate potential. In living in harmony with the universe, we find a sense of peace and fulfillment that transcends the material world. We become co-creators of our reality, partners with the cosmos in the dance of existence. As our journey in conversing with the cosmos concludes, remember, this dialogue is a lifelong adventure. Embrace each moment as an opportunity to connect with the universe, and let this sacred communication guide you toward a life filled with purpose, harmony, and endless possibilities. The universe is always listening. Our exploration into the universe's language may end here, but your personal dialogue with the cosmos is just beginning. Carry forward this wisdom, let your heart speak to the stars, and listen closely as the universe echoes back. Here's to a journey of endless discovery and cosmic connection. Thanks for watching. See you in the next journey.